Medical news at HBMS TV Talking Health, brought to you by Mwanje Victor every Saturday at 12 noon and sponsored by C247, the next generation natural food supplement. Did you know that lockdown had a very big impact on the brain development of infants during the year 2020? Babies born during the pandemic's first year score slightly lower on a brain developmental screening test. Columbia researchers found that babies born during the pandemic's first year, 2020, scored slightly lower on a brain developmental screening test of social and motor skills at 6 months. And this is regardless of whether their mothers had COVID-19 during their pregnancies or not. They scored lower as compared to babies born just before the pandemic. The study, which included over 255 babies born at New York Presbyterian Morgan Stanley Children's Hospital and Allen Hospital between March and December 2020, was published in the journal JAMA Pediatrics. The team lead in this vital research, Dr. Danny Dimitri, said that they were surprised to find that there was absolutely no signal suggesting that exposure to COVID-19 while the fetus was in the uterus was linked to this brain underdevelopment. Rather, being in the womb of a mother experiencing the pandemic was associated with slightly lower scores in the brain development at 6 months. The results also suggest that the huge amount of stress felt by pregnant mothers during these unprecedented times may have played a role. And Dr. Dimitri added that this is just a signal of what could be happening in the lives of very many other infants born during the year 2020 in very many other parts of the world. Therefore, this should be treated with great attention. Dr. Danny Dimitri is a pediatrician and a PhD holder and also practices in the Well Baby Nursery at New York Presbyterian Morgan Stanley Children's Hospital. However, Dr. Dimitri notes that parents should know that findings in this research and study do not necessarily mean that this generation will be impaired later in life. This is still a very early developmental stage with lots of opportunities to intervene and get these babies onto the right track in as far as the development of their brains is concerned. Therefore, Home-Based Medical Services International, together with HBMS TV, go ahead to encourage parents all over the world to employ remedies to enhance the brain development of their children. These activities that can be taken include breastfeeding, playing games with them, engaging them with toys to allow them explore and interact with their surroundings, and feeding them on a mega dose of natural food supplements from Home-Based Medical Services International, such as the My Choco, which is a children's beverage, and Kid 24/7, which are kids gummies, which contain lots of vitamins, DHA, iodine, among other nutrients that boost the brain development of their kids. Medical news at HBMS TV Talking Health, brought to you by Mwanje Victor every Saturday at 12 noon and sponsored by C247, the next generation natural food supplement.